Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove the ugly fisheye distortion from your photos captured on a GoPro. So in order to do this effect, we first need to begin by launching up Adobe Photoshop and importing our photo. And once you've done this, we want to go up to the filter setting on the top bar inside of Photoshop. Scroll down to lens correction and we're going to go into the lens correction menu. Now there is a auto correction setting, but we'll go across to custom so we can adjust the settings manually. And the only setting that you really need to worry about here is the remove distortion slider at the very top. And as you can see, if we pull the slider to the left or to the right, you can see this is either going to add distortion or decrease the distortion. So of course we want to pull the slider over towards the right and find a nice healthy balance to a point where the image is becoming less distorted. And once you're happy with the value of that, we can go down and we can fix the chromatic aberration, we can fix the vignetting, and we can also fix the vertical perspective and the horizontal perspective of the photo. So take your time to go through all of these settings and perfectly balance out your photo and remove that ugly fisheye that the GoPro has caused. And there you go. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in that comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and check out the previous video if you want to see more. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next episode.